Okay, who is the leader of the class here?
Faris.
Yeah, Faris Ayardino. Open this class.
Assalamualaikum.
Let's open the class. Let's open this class. I'm saying
Reciting. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Allahumma inni
As'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan thayyiban. Okay, how are you doing today, guys?
Bye. Go.
Masya Allah. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you something about dream job. As we know, we are student and we are learning here to get to the target, which is dream job. So before I start, I want to ask all of you, what's your dream job?
teacher in the program.
You?
I'm becoming the CEO.
What about you?
Angela.
Masya Allah. What about you?
Very good.
Masya Allah.
Gamer.
Waduh. What about you?
CEO.
Wede. What about you? Masya Allah. What about you? What about you? Masya Allah. What about you? Okay. What about you? Skip. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you about dream job. And in this lovely day, I am going to teach you. Okay, next to the next slide. So now we are going to learn some new vocabularies, or maybe we can say some jobs. Well, just the familiar jobs. Starting from this. Can you read this?
Policeman.
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 No, that's bad English. Policeman.
Policeman.
Repeat after me. Policeman.
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 Okay. So policeman's job is to fight crime, yeah? And
Money from
no, not from the bank. Not taking money from bank. That's a criminal. What about this?
Astronaut. Dubbing astronaut.
Dabbing. No, not. Repeat after me. Astronaut.
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 So, why are you dabbing?
Astronaut like this.
Okay. So, astronaut job is to work in the moon, I think. You just work in the space, yeah. Do you know what's astronaut job?
NASA.
NASA.
Company. NASA.
This. Pilot.
Pilot.
Pilot. No, that's Indonesian. The real pronunciation is pilot. Pilot. So pilot is riding a plane, yeah.
Arjuna. What is pilot?
Job which is riding a plane.
Okay.
What the hell?
Okay. Okay, this driver. No, this is driver. Repeat after me. Driver. Driver. You know taxi?
Gojek.
Ah, yeah. Driver can be a car, motorcycle. Just driving some angkot could be. I know this illustration looks like a bakso dealer, but just act that this is a driver, okay?
Angkot.
This. Firefighter. Firefighter. So firefighter is a actually it's fight with fire using water, saving people from fire if there's burn. Do you know what is this job?
Waiter.
Waiter.
Waiter is penunggu.
No, waiter is pelayan. If you search in Google, waiter it means pelayan.
That's a different context, man.
This is I know this is haram, but it's familiar. Okay, what's this?
Artist.
Artist. Okay. So artist is painting, but more halal is to paint, not human. Okay. More halal, not paint human. Okay. What about this? Athlete. No, not athlete. This athlete. What about this? No, not reporter. This is reporter. Repeat after me. Reporter.
Reporter is mean ngadu.
No, reporter in different context means wartawan. Wartawan. No, dokter. So doctor can heal people, be helpful. like Julian. Masya Allah, Julian.
Doctor can poison someone.
No, that's in the game.
It's the game.
This.
Builder.
Builder. Builder. Builder is can be
Make someone.
in this so builder in my concept I think builder is coolie like over there builder this scientist
Play with the vocabulary.
scientist so if we learn about science with Kaesa in future maybe we could be a scientist ilmuwan.
I don't need science, but I don't understand science.
Okay. Lot of you maybe know what is this. Masya Allah, yes, this is programmer. Raise up, who want to be a programmer?
Professional grammar.
Oh,
Grammar, you know.
that's Azmi, professional grammar. Raise your hand if you want to be programmer.
No.
Yay,
Driver.
Masya Allah.
Driver expert.
Okay, continue. Chef. 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 Okay, yeah. I agree because I want to eat. Next, what's this?
My father.
Mechanic.
My father.
Oh, your father is a mechanic?
Yeah, I do mechanic.
My uncle is also a mechanic.
Planning plan. Oh, he's
Okay. Okay. Farzan, what's this?
Policeman.
Shipan. What's this? Fallen. What's this?
The river.
What's this?
Free fire.
No, not free fire. Firefighter. Ilyasa, what's this?
Waiter.
Okay. Faris?
That is artist.
Okay. Ando?
Athlete.
Okay. Absar? Sidki? Dokter. Okay. Azmi? Okay. Julian? Scientist. Okay, this is programmer, chef, and mechanic. Okay, now next. I'm going to teach you some grammar that we ever learn in IDAT. Aha.
Oh.
Do I want to?
Okay. So this is positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Positive, interrogative, and negative. Repeat after me. I want to be an astronaut.
I want to be an astronaut.
I don't want to be an astronaut.
I don't want to be an astronaut.
Do I want to be an astronaut?
I want to be an astronaut.
Okay.
Oh, you asked me?
I don't ask you, I ask you all. Okay. I want to be a farmer.
I want to be a farmer.
I don't want to be a farmer.
I don't want to be a farmer.
Sorry, a little bit typo. Do I want to be a farmer?
Do I want to be a farmer?
Okay. Next. So, this is some correction, yeah? Is this right or not?
No.
Because there is cross.
Yeah, there's cross, and the reason why it's wrong because an A need to be an using N because
Kapitan.
oh no, this is wrong. So this is just switch, yeah, switch. N is for A, U, A, O, and A is for not A, U. No, this switch, yeah, switch. Okay, and this is the right one.
Next.
Okay. So you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Nah, this is your task. Now, please take your book or not a paper and write this and finish it.
Just say.
Okay. Ask by one, yeah. For example, yeah. From Farzan first, and then all of you will get. Okay, masya Allah. Farzan, what's the negative sentence of I want to be a police officer?
I don't want to be a police
Masya
officer.
Allah.
Okay, what about the interrogative one?
I want to be a police officer.
Okay, masya Allah. Shipan, what's the positive sentence of I would not be a chef?
Let me. Okay. I will be a chef.
Masya Allah.
Masya Allah.
The interrogative?
Do I not? Do I will be a chef?
No. Would I be a chef?
No, do.
No, do.
But the
Is
negative.
you, yeah, this the interrogative. Would interrogative? Would I be a chef? Okay, Valen. Nah, this is an example. I'm going to write it. Maybe using. Wait, I forget.
Star just changed in the Canva.
Ah, so long ah. Ah.
Just quickly right in the.
I want to be. What is this? What's the negative sentence?
I don't want to be a fat. What is the meaning of that?
Fat is dokter hewan. Fat. A vet. No, not fat. Different. Fat is dokter hewan. What's the interrogative one?
I don't want to be a fat.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay. There's still more material. Sorry, kids. Haha. Okay, so okay, let's read this conversation. Okay. Imagine that Alfat is A and Ilyasa is B. Alfat, you're A. Say this.
Yeah, firefighter is more helpful than a policeman.
Ilyasa, say this.
Fireman is the most awesome job in the world.
Okay, Alfat, say this.
Firefighter are smarter than policeman.
Okay, Ilyasa.
No, policeman is the smartest job in the
Smartest.
whole world. Nah.
Resist.
Ah.
So, we are from this conversation, we are going to learn comparative and superlative like we learn in IDAT. Haha. Okay, so
Masya Allah.
so comparative is like wait, I forget. Using like bigger,
Bigger.
Bigger means membesar in Indonesian, right?
smaller, yeah. So bigger is like so comparative if you like compare a thing with another thing.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
What is the meaning membandingkan, right?
So if you want to use like you need to compare it with something like, for example, Shifan, yeah, fatter than me. Okay, like that. Make an example of comparative.
I taller than Afsar.
I am taller than Afsar. What about you? Make a comparative sentence.
I'm smarter than Ilyasa.
Okay, aduh. Ilyasa, make a sentence, a comparative one.
Just sentence. I'm not trying to sing. You really sing.
Cepat.
Fast.
Oh, I'm faster than Chifa.
Wede. Afat, make a comparative sentence.
I'm bigger than Julian.
Okay. Okay, Virus, make a comparative sentence.
Julian taller than.
You can use another name, for example, like Farzan.
Shorter than me.
Okay, Ahnaf is
What is fact?
Ahnaf is.
shorter than me.
Berlin.
Valen. Okay, siap. Ready? Faris, make a comparative sentence.
Comparative. I'm taller than Azmi.
So maybe if you, no, you should not use taller. You could just make I'm taller than Azmi.
I'm taller than Azmi.
Okay. Ando?
Faris is bigger than me.
Okay. Absar? Farzan taller than me. Farzan is taller than me. Change the adjective. Okay. Azmi.
I am richer than Elon Musk.
Okay. Azmi is richer than Elon Musk.
Wow. Did you believe?
Sidki? Make the
Potatoes are more bigger than grass.
okay. Potatoes are more bigger than grass. Okay, so the next one is superlative. Okay, in superlative is different. Before comparative is comparing something with membandingkan. So superlative is we compare something with all of
The most.
the most using most. Like
Sipan most
Gus-
bigger in the 7B.
Sifan is the most biggest.
Then I me.
If superlative, biggest, you think you should not use most. Okay, make the sentence.
What?
You want to ice breaking? Okay, just
yeah,
be
yeah.
faster. Harum. Make the sentence superlative. Compare something with everything.
My mother's fried rice is most delicious than
Delicious.
It's
than a
most
chef fried
delicious.
rice.
It's
Yeah, saya more delicious.
then what?
Then chef fried rice.
No, that's comparative. So if superlative is compare with all of the thing. For example,
Most delicious
your mother's
what?
fried rice is the most delicious in IDN in the world. Yeah, like that. Okay, Sipan,
The brain. Most bigger in XB.
Elon Musk.
Exactly.
I'm the bigger. I'm the most bigger in the XB.
You should not use most. Just I'm the biggest. Okay, what about you? Make a superlative sentence.
Yes, sir.
I'm smart.
Smartest.
It's the most smart one in idea.
Okay, I'm the most smartest. Yeah.
In idea.
Alfred, make the sentence.
I'm the most bold.
You use most or not?
Most. I'm using
I'm the
most.
bold.
No, you should not use most. I'm the smartest. So if the adjective is long, you should not use most. But if it's short, like tallest, biggest, you should not use most. But if it's long, like dangerous, incredible, use most. Okay, you skip. Make one sentence lah.
Let's make one sentence, eh.
It's alright. It's
The
alright.
boldest. I'm the boldest.
I'm the boldest.
Mortal.
Jerawatan in the idea.
Astagfirullah, Sivan, no, racing. Ah,
I'm Agnes.
Agnes, what's Agnes?
Jerawat.
Oh,
Idea.
I think could be berjerawatan is an adjective. Okay,
Alhamdulillah.
Virus, make the superlative sentence.
I'm the strongest among men.
Okay, the strongest among men.
Palen.
Palen, make superlative sentence.
Oh, I know about it.
Like what?
Like, for example, Arjuna is the smartest in IDN.
You're jealous.
Jealous?
No. Arrogant.
You yeah, like we ever learn in IDAT. IDAT or KBM, I forget. KBM. Harum.
Let's go. One ice breaking or not?
I am using the biggest, the smartest. Okay, you're the smartest. Okay, really?
Yeah, let's go.
Faris, make the sentence, the superlative.
Most struggles
Strugglest, yes.
sudden in idea.
You don't use most. If struggle is little, I'm the strugglest.
And you not.
What? I correct them.
Okay. I'm struggles.
I'm the using the.
I am the struggles student
Yes.
in idea.
Okay. You?
Afsar is the smallest. Afsar in the smallest in the 7B.
7B, okay, thank you.
8B.
Oh, 8B, okay. Afsar, make the superlative sentence.
Julian.
Oh, Julian. Okay. Ando.
Most
Most what?
Huh?
The most what?
Ando is
Annoying. The most the annoying is using most the most annoying person in 8B. Okay. Shitki, make superlative sentence.
Potato are the most delicious food.
Okay. You make sentence.
Cyrus is the richest man in the world.
Okay, beating Elon Musk. Cameraman Julian, make the sentence.
You are the smallest in the 8B.
Racing.
No shaming. I think this is saying word, but you're not what is racist.
Hah? What? I'm expert. I'm the goodest. I'm the most good drawer.
Asmi is the most artist in the idea.
I'm the best, yeah, the best drawer. Okay. Okay.
Don't make this
Next one, we are going to make another task. Make a conversation about comparison of dream job using comparative. You make conversation with people in, okay, make your team, and that team is you need to make a comparison, like first arguing, like, but using the comparative and superlative, like this one. Wait, no, like this one, like firefighters more helpful, like this one, making it with your teammates. This is simple, okay? Ah, maybe like this. Okay, for example, person A and person B are talking. Like person A said, policeman is more better than policeman is bigger than pilot, like that. And then using the superlative for the answer.
It's so cool, man.
Okay, I will see them.
What's up? Good?
In video
Know
win.
about the dream job? Me. I'm ready.
Okay, ready.
More.
Wait.
You know, because you know, catching crab in Alaska is the most dangerous job in the world. Really? Yes.
Okay.
Because it's so hard to take crab in the Alaska because there is many winter like snow and we could in Alaska. What do
Okay.
you think?
You argue back like my job is more better than yours.
Okay, wait. Even on the mini.
More dangerous.
More dangerous.
Why?
Because awesome.
Yeah, because
Okay. Virus and Valen are done.
Me.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, try.
Let's go. Hey, you know what? You are a policeman. Yes. I'm firefighters. And firefighter is very smarter and bigger and the most job in this world more than policeman.
Oh yeah, get it. Okay, continue.
But I think if the
Your answer.
Seriously, like that. I'm not
program is
like that. So you think the firefighter is the most
make a teamwork
job in the world?
make a something like
Yes, Mas lengkap.
Yes, I seriously.
The policeman is the biggest
But in my mind,
job.
But policeman is always late.
Number one.
Say before. Policeman is always catch the
more better than
programmer.
Some mini quiz. Can you answer what job is this? I'm a good problem solver. I solve some crime.
Policeman.
Wait, okay. Raceman. Who said policeman? Okay. Who say FBI? Who say detective? So the answer is detective. Next question. I save people. I work at the beach. I'm a lifeguard. Huh?
Maybe I know about this job, but I don't know what it is.
Lifeguard. Okay, the answer is lifeguard. So lifeguard is like penyelamat. So in the beach, you know that people that see using the what? Yeah, telescope. If someone drowned, the lifeguard will. Yes, like at telescope. Oh ya, binokular. Aduh, lalun. Continue.
Like this.
I like to help people. I'm like a dentist. I'm like a doctor, but I help toothache. Dang it, I read it wrong. Okay, you're right. It's a dentist. I just answered it. I'm like a doctor. Okay, continue. The last, I think it's the last one. I save people. I'm not scared of the fire. Okay. I work at the restaurant. Okay. I fight crime. I catch thief. I work in the office. Policeman.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the vocabularies. So, what's? Come on, read this. Repeat after me. Astronaut. Astronaut. Police officer. Policy. Doctor. Doctor. Pilot. Pilot. Artist. Pelukis. Reporter. Wartawan. Mechanic. Montir. Waiter. Pelayan. Driver. Pengemudi. Firefighter. Pemadam. Chef. Koki. Programmer. Scientist. Ilmuwan. Athlete. Builder. Kuli. Dentist. Dokter gigi. Lifeguard. Penyelamat. Detective. Vet. Dokter hewan. Farmer. Petani. Can I start the ice breaking? Break time. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to continue with an ice breaking. Shout hooray! So we are going to play werewolf game. So there will be the good guys and the bad guys.
God, I don't want to be villager.
There will be assassin, guard, hunter, detective, villager, doctor, and for the bad guys only werewolf, yeah? 3 werewolves.
I'm a werewolf.
So this is the villager. Villager is a normal card role that can vote. There is nothing special about this role. So if you get villager, it's up to be you. Okay. This is werewolf.
Yay.
The werewolf need to kill 1 person each night and vote them to kill the werewolf. Detective. In every night, detective can check each person's role. So you need to protect the detective.
What kind of fun is
The
that?
guard.
Wow.
He can protect 1 person each night but cannot protect himself. Cannot protect himself. This is different. So you should... Okay, I don't want to show you the strategy. Next is the doctor. He can heal and poison anyone but cannot use it in the same night. So in first night, you can poison or heal 1 person but only heal or poison. You cannot choose both. Continue. And this is the assassin. He can challenge 1 person in the daytime if the person is a good assassin died. If the person is bad, the bad guy died. And this is the hunter. If the hunter died, he can if hunter died or get vote, he can take 1 person to die with him. And this is how to play it. Like normal, yeah, guard need to protect a villager, and then after that, the killer need to kill 1 person, and then after that, the doctor can pick to heal or poison the people. If he heal it, the person will be safe. And then, the detective can check any person identity at the night. If it's a bad guy, I will do this. If it's a good guy, I will do this. And then, if the person got protected and heal, he will die because of overdose. In the daytime, assassin can challenge a person but only once. If he is a good guy, the assassin died, and if it's a bad guy, the bad guy died, and making it a nightfall. So if the assassin challenge, you cannot vote. Already nighttime. Same. After discussing, every player need to vote a person and vote them, and the person that will get the most vote will die. To win, killers need to kill all of the good guys, and the good guys need to kill the werewolf to win. if the hunter die or get voted, he can pick one person to die with him.
Oh, yeah.
So the rules. This is the rules. You cannot touch your other teammates at the nighttime, like no touching hands, okay? No talking at nighttime. All player must put their head in the desk like this, and don't ngintip. And there will be no role reveal, but if you want to reveal your role in the game, it's alright. That player cannot help. No random vote.
Not fun.
Each person will tell their opinion for 15 seconds. No voting means skip, and if NPC find out somebody is cheating, they will die. Let the game begin. Round number 1.
Give me a roll.
Okay, everyone. Put your head down. 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 Okay, got it. Oh my God, the ceremony.
Villager.
There will be 3 roll, sons.
Villager.
Huh?
Please don't give me villager.
Don't open your eyes first. Virus. KK. Valen.
Each other, man.
God. Okay, maybe from here so it's safe.
I get
Hey.
Ilyasa, it's your turn.
What?
I don't know. I'm not yet.
Oh,
Villager.
I don't get
Hey, don't.
Yes, I'm escaping.
Are you a wolf?
Wait.
Oh, God.
Bro, I can hear your voice.
Ah, really? What? What? Huh? Oh, okay. KK.
Keep your heads down.
Okay.
Are we done?
Oh.
Okay, continue ya. Everybody open your eyes. Already got their roles?
Yeah.
Okay, nighttime, close your eyes. Put your head down in the desk. Ando.
If there is die and the photo is crossed.
No, I will tell it and I will do the role reveal after the game ends.
Can you kill me, guys?
Just close your eyes.
Julian.
Okay, close your eyes.
At night. No talking at
Guard, open your eyes. Guard, who do you want to protect?
I don't know who's the guard.
Protect me, bro.
Because I
I
can
am
hear.
werewolf.
Guards cannot protect themselves, ya. Guard, who do you want to protect?
Me, I'm villager.
Don't talk at night.
Don't talk at
Keep
night.
your heads down.
Guard, who do you want to protect? You cannot protect yourself. Okay, guard, close your eyes. Werewolves, open your eyes. Werewolf, who do you want to kill?
No cheating, no cheating.
Who do you want to kill? Okay, werewolf, close your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes. Doctor, this person is dead. Do you want to save him?
Me.
Okay, doctor, close your eyes. Detective, open your eyes. Detective, open your eyes. Detective, which role do you want to check? Detective, close your eyes. Daytime, everyone, open your eyes. Last night was a peaceful night. No one died. What's your opinion?
Huh?
Say something. 1,
Maybe I got tired that night.
3, huh?
Maybe I got that in
5. Okay. Shifan, what's your opinion? 1, 2, 3,
Opinion is means
4.
for what, right?
Yeah. Like pendapat kamu. You want to say what? Okay. Ilyasa, what do you want to say? 1, 2, 3, 4,
I don't have
5.
any.
Okay. Alpat, what do you want to say? 1,
I'm
2,
so sassy.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Virus, what do you want to say?
I don't have.
Simpan suspicious.
Okay, 1. Okay.
He always.
Valen, what do you want to say? What do you want to say? 1. I don't know. Okay. Shitki, what do you want to say? You haven't.
I detective. I check him and then his bed.
Hey, listen to.
I'm detective and then I check him, I him his bed.
Hey.
Okay, Azmi, what do you want to say? 1, 2, 3. Julian, what do you want to say? Okay, Faris, 1, 2. Okay, what do you want to say?
I'm the friend of Asmi.
Huh?
I'm friend of and I'm the friend of Asmi and I vote Asmi.
What do you want to say, Absar? 1, 2. Okay, voting time. Who do you want to vote? Azmi, you? Okay, Azmi. Okay, everybody vote Azmi. Azmi died. Azmi, you died. I won't reveal your roles. Okay, everyone, close your eyes.
Okay, so we know who's
Close your eyes. No touching. Okay. Protect.
Keep your heads down, except guard. Keep your heads down.
Keep your heads down. Bold man. Everyone is bold.
Who?
Pablo. Let's go, man.
Okay, guard, close your eyes. Werewolves, open your eyes. Werewolves, who do you want to kill? Okay, werewolf, close your eyes. Wait. Doctor.
No touching it.
Doctor, open your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes. Doctor, this person is dead. Do you want to heal him? Do you want to poison anyone? You cannot heal again. You already used your heal. You want to poison that guy? Okay, doctor, close your eyes. Detective, open your eyes. Detective, who do you want to check?
Keep your head down, Alfred.
Keep your heads down.
Bro.
Okay, detective, close your eyes. Daytime, everyone, open your eyes. Last night, Shifan and Fallen died.
No role reveal, no role reveal.
No role reveal. If you're dead, don't talk. I need to write your name. Okay, you can talk. You can talk together. What you want to say? I don't want to say. There's 3 werewolves.
No talking until Arjuna gives permission.
Everyone, you can discuss. You can berdiskusi. You can diskusi.
Okay, we discuss. Except the people who dies.
Fallen is already there.
Yeah, Fallen dead. Shifan dead.
What the?
Virus.
I am not focused.
What's something you get it?
I don't want to give one guys.
Wait, this one.
Follow me. English. English.
Azmi ready.
Chris.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Guys, I'm werewolf, guys.
Okay, voting time. Farzan, who do you want to vote? No, I said you can discuss. You can discuss it. Who want to vote? Wait, shh. Who do you want to vote? Who do you want to vote? Okay, skip vote.
You say we don't skip.
Okay, no voting means skip. Okay, there's no skip, but I'm going to count Farzan. There's skip. Okay, you? Are you dead? You cannot vote. Who do you want to vote?
I think Andro.
Andro. Ando have 1 vote.
No, I'm maybe Santa.
What? Okay, you cannot change your voting. Okay, what do you want to vote?
No, I'm werewolf.
Shh, I said don't talk. It's voting time.
Detective, you detect who?
Trust me.
Okay? You're voting who? Okay, Julian. Julian got 1 vote. Virus, who do you want to vote? Julian got 1 vote. Okay, wait, Fallen dead. Okay, Absar, who do you want to vote?
Julian.
Huh? Okay, Absar skip.
No phone.
Ando.
Don't want to vote.
Okay, you vote yourself. What an idiot. Faris.
Please.
I think skip.
No, he's please. Please.
What do you want to vote? Okay, wait. Come on. 1, 2. Okay, you vote Ando. Julian, who do you want to vote? Okay, Julian skip. City, who do you want to vote? 1. You vote Ando. Okay, Ando died. Okay. Wait, I need to check what's role is Ando.
Oh my god, Suci like wibu.
Ando, you're a hunter.
Suci like wibu. So weird.
Ando, you're the hunter.
Fill your role.
Ando, he's dead. Ando, you're the hunter. Who do you want to kill?
Kill me.
One. You kill Alfat. Okay. Alfat and Ando died. No role reveal. Nighttime.
Okay, keep your head
What?
down. Keep your head down.
Biasa keep your head down, biasa.
Hey, don't text me.
Okay. Nighttime, everyone. Guard, open your eyes. Guard, which person do you want to protect? Guard, close your eyes. Werewolves, open your eyes. Werewolf, which person do you want to kill? This so funny. One.
Two.
Werewolf must kill. Okay, werewolf, close your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes. Doctor, this person is dead. Do you want to save him?
Yeah.
Do you want to poison anyone? Doctor, close your eyes. Detective, open your eyes. Detective, which role do you want to check? Okay. Detective, close your eyes. Daytime, everyone, open your eyes. Last night, Ilyasa died. Player 6, Ilyasa died. Okay, you can go there. Okay, you can discuss. I will give you 20 seconds for discussing. 1, 2. You can say anything. You can discuss together. 2,
He's good. I'm supposed to
3, 4,
good.
5.
Why are you checking?
Okay, what do you want to say?
He didn't talk village.
Challenge.
Farzan.
Oh, wait. Julian is the assassin. Julian want to challenge who?
Challenge.
Challenge.
Try it first.
Faster. 1. Okay. Challenge begins. Wait, I need to see. I forget the role. Challenge success. Good guys win. This is the role.
I'm the villager.
Everybody sit in your place again. Sit in your place again.
Ayaw ngitip-ngitip. I know women.
Okay. Round number 2, everybody. Round number 2.
Pandu, si Pandu. Si Pandu.
Sit down.
my god.
You get it?
Biasa,
Okay.
biasa.
Shifan. Assalamualaikum, Shifan.
Do not talk without Arjuna's permission.
Alfat, where are you, Alfat? Okay, here you are. You get it?
I will.
Okay, Fallen. Wait, Fidus first. Okay, don't open your eyes, but okay. Fallen. Ilyasa. Okay, remember it, okay. Wait, Ilyas already, okay, Faris. Wait, I forget. Okay. Ando. Absar. Okay, you got it. And then Shitki. Yeah, Shitki.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hear you.
Nah, you cannot. Okay, Azmi. And the last person, Julian.
Token. Your heads are down.
Okay, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes, okay? Close your nighttime. It's nighttime, okay? Close your eyes. Guard, open your eyes.
I'm die.
Guard, who do you want to protect? You cannot protect yourself. Okay. Werewolf, open your eyes. Werewolf, open your eyes. Werewolf, who do you want to kill?
Không đời.
Werewolf, close your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes. Doctor, that person have died. Would you want to save him? Do you want to poison anyone? Doctor, close your eyes. And detective, open your eyes. Detective, which role do you want to check? Detective, close your eyes. Daytime, everyone, open your eyes. Last night, nobody died. Well, that last night was a peaceful night. You can discuss together. What do you want to say? Farzan, what's your opinion? What's your opinion?
Avenger, man, I think.
What's your opinion? 1, 2,
Nah,
3, 4, 5.
my opinion.
Okay, Shifan, don't sleep. Okay, Shifan, what's your opinion?
No.
No. Okay. Ilyasa, what's your opinion?
Skip.
Skip. Okay. Alfad?
My opinion is I don't have a subject.
Okay, you don't have any subject.
Sipan.
Sipan. Valen?
I check Julian. Bed.
Okay. Apsar, what do you want to say?
Skip.
Skip. Ando?
Paris maybe bed, guys. I sus with Paris.
Okay, you sus with a person. Yo,
What?
what's your opinion?
I'm still not have an opinion.
Okay, Julian, what do you need to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, Azmoy?
You're talking so loud, I can kinda hear. Shidki.
It's not-
It's not villager.
Ah. Okay, what your opinion?
I'm following the detective.
Huh?
I'm just going to follow the detective.
Okay, just wait for this. Voting time. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, who do you want to vote?
Julian.
Obviously, Julian. Farzan, who you want to vote?
For real.
Really? Already Julian?
Maybe raising hand, maybe.
Who vote Julian? Present. 1, 2. Okay, everybody vote Julian except for Julian himself. Okay. So, yeah, Julian died.
I go over there.
You go over here, Julian. Oh, what's this? Okay. Nighttime, everybody, close your eyes.
Hands down.
Guard, open your eyes. Guard, who do you want to protect? Okay, guard, close your eyes. I'm sorry. Werewolf, open your eyes. Who do you want to kill? Hey, dead people don't help. Dead people.
Dead
Okay.
people can sit down, dead people.
Werewolf,
Face that.
close your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes. Doctor, that person has died. Would you want to save him or do you want to poison anyone? You cannot save him. You already used your heal power. So, doctor, you want to poison anyone?
I hear, man. I hear, man.
Doctor. Wait. Doctor, open your eyes. Okay, doctor, close your eyes. And lastly, detective, open your eyes. Detective, who do you want to check? Okay, detective, close your eyes. Daytime, everyone, open your eyes. Last night, Farzan and Virus died. Farzan, sit there.
45 guys.
Opinion.
Okay, from Shitki this time.
I got nothing.
Okay, you, Azmi.
So I hear when werewolf open your eyes, I hear some voices from here. So
Okay.
I'm shocked.
Afsar, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, you.
Nothing.
Sus with Apsar.
Just with Afsar. Okay, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. What do you want to say, Liasa?
Maybe nothing.
Nothing. Okay, you.
Apsar, I follow Azmi.
Okay, you.
Sitki good.
Okay, Sivan. Why are you lonely? You feel so lonely. What do you need to say?
No.
No. Okay. Wait. Okay. So, voting time. Who? Who vote Absar, raise hand. Who vote Azmi, raise hand.
I follow people opinion.
You vote Azmi. Okay, vote Azmi. To vote for Azmi.
I'm not vote Azmi. You can vote double.
Wait, you vote who? Absar or Azmi? Okay, so you vote who? Absar. Okay, so Absar died. Absar, you're dead. Absar, go here. Nighttime, everyone, close your eyes. Guard, open your eyes. Guard, who do you want to protect? Guard, close your eyes. Werewolf, open your eyes. Werewolf, who do you want to kill? Werewolf, close your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes. That person has died. Do you want to save him? Do you want to poison anyone? Doctor, close your eyes. Detective, okay, Farzan, charge your laptop. Farzan. Farzan. Wait, what? Detective, open your eyes. The detective, which person do you want to check?
Andro,
No, no cheating.
play fair, Andro.
Wait, who?
Wait.
Okay, dead people still sit down still.
Farzan is charging. Okay. Detective, close your eyes. Daytime. Everyone, open your eyes. Last night, Ilyas had died. Open. Okay. Shivan, you talk first. What do you want to say? No. Okay. Alvat?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
Alfat.
Alvat?
Yeah, I know that.
Shitty, what do you want to say?
People.
Oh, okay. Ando?
Sus with Asmi.
Sus with Azmi. You?
Bro. Alfat is already sus at the start. He follow me.
Okay. Faris, what do you need to say?
Skip.
Skip. Okay. Okay, already get charged ya. Everyone, voting time. Raise hand if you want to vote Azmi. Who want to vote Azmi, raise hand. Vote Azmi, raise hand. Vote Shitki, raise hand. Vote Alfat, raise hand. Vote Valen, raise hand. Okay, so that means Alfat got the most votes. Where's Alfat? Yeah, he's already dead. Okay.
Paris, just keep silent.
Okay.
Yay!
So, good guys win.
Yay! Woohoo!
I am assassin, man.
You know,
I'm a doctor.
I know that.
Okay. Oh, okay. Last round ya. Last round. Everybody sit in your place. This is the last round. Okay, close your eyes. Sivan, close your eyes.
Wait, action.
Okay. Yo. Got it? Okay, Sivan. This is, I think, a dumb roll. Okay. Next. Valen.
No
No talking.
No whispering.
Wait. Okay.
What?
Wait. Alfat first. Sorry. Okay, Virus. KK. Next is Valen. Okay. Next, Ilyasa. Okay. Next, Faris. Ando. And Apsar. Open your eyes.
Can I show my myself?
Guard, who do you want to protect?
Please protect me.
Don't talking at the night, please.
Talking.
Sleeping.
Heads down.
Sleeping.
Admin.
Who?
Heads down. Heads down.
Can I
Close your eyes.
kick my
Okay, guard, close your eyes.
myself?
And then werewolves, open your eyes. Werewolf, who do you want to kill?
Watch.
Okay, werewolf, close your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes.
Face on the table.
Doctor, that person has died. Would you want to save him?
No, don't save me, don't save me.
Yeah, save him. Okay, doctor, close your eyes. Detective, open your eyes. Who do you want to check?
Check me.
Face on the table. Face on the table.
Detective, close your eyes. Daytime, everyone open your eyes. Last night was a peaceful night. No one died. Okay, Farzan, tell your opinion.
Can
Wait, I think I need to drink.
So delicious. No? What's your opinion?
In the night, I hear some of the voice that talking when we going to sit in the head to the table. This redup, but so I hear about the man is using HD.
Okay. Sivan, what you want to say?
No, but I'm so sassy baka with virus. I'm so sassy baka with virus.
He says Sasibaka with virus. Eliasa, what you want to say?
I don't have some conclusion.
Okay. What do you want to say?
I'm only want to the all players kill me.
Okay, he want to get killed. What about you?
I'm check Sivan.
What about you?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, Shitki, I think this messed up. What about you?
Vote me.
Vote me. Azmi, what do you want to say?
I didn't know anything.
He don't know anything.
Vote me,
Apsar, what do you want to say?
Saswi Siki.
Saswi Shitki.
By the way, who's the detective?
I don't know.
I Sas. Wait. Nothing.
Nothing.
Kill me, Andro.
Okay. What do you want to say?
May I say what I'm wrong?
You can say.
No, nothing. I'm still not have an opinion.
Okay. Julian, what you want to say? You don't want to say anything.
The detective aren't they say?
Okay. Voting time. Raise hand if you want to vote. Wait, where's the pen? Oh. Oh, do you want? Raise hand if you want to vote Sivan. Okay. One vote for Sivan. Raise hand if you want to vote Farzan. Who want to vote Farzan? Raise hand. Okay, Sivan got. Okay, Valen. Okay, Ando.
I don't know. I just make it like you.
Repeat. Who fought Sivan?
Who vote Sivan? Raise hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, who want to vote? Who want to vote Azmi? Who want to vote Farzan? Who want to vote Ilyasa? Who want to vote Valen? Who want to vote Virus? Who want to vote Alfat?
Why Sivan
Oh,
is
Alpha
always
na.
be a suspect?
I don't know because.
Who want to vote Faris? Farzan, you raise hand. You want to vote Faris? Okay, no. And who want to vote Ando? Okay, no. Who want to vote Absar? Okay, want to say Julian. Okay. Okay, Absar vote Shitki. Julian vote Julian. So, still the same. The most vote goes to Sifan. Sifan, you died. What a random voter. Okay, I think you just did a big mistake. He just did a big mistake.
As you will know.
Okay. Nighttime, everyone. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Face on the table.
Don't talk. Don't touch each other.
No.
Wait.
Later.
Guard.
You may.
Okay. No roll. Guard, who do you want to protect?
No. Don't put me. Oh, blood. Get killed.
Hey, that person.
Who? Who?
Sit down, please sit down.
Okay, guard, close your eyes. Werewolves, open your eyes. Okay, a little bit. Who? Who? Hey.
Who detective?
Okay. Werewolf, close your eyes. Doctor, open your eyes. Doctor, that person has died. Would you want to heal it? Would you want to poison anyone?
Potion me.
He asked who.
Oh,
He asked who does.
that person has died. That over there. You cannot heal it. You already used your healing powers. Would you want to poison anyone?
Thank you.
Poison means meracuni. Who you want to poison?
Here. Disgusting. Thank you.
You want to poison that guy or that guy? That guy. Okay, doctor, close your eyes. Please, Julian, close your eyes.
Potion me.
Detective, open your eyes. Detective, which person do you want to check? Detective, close your eyes.
Please don't check me. If you check
Daytime, everyone, open your eyes. Last night, Farzan and Virus died. You're the hunter. Oh, you're...
I want to make a challenge.
No, you cannot. If you died, you cannot make a challenge. You should make it in the daytime. Okay. Okay. That person go down. That person go down.
Detective, who's detective? I already told that. Detective, bro. Or what?
Okay.
Detective, man.
Okay, let's just start the opinion from Ilyasa. What do you want to say?
Where is
Sam, I don't have any question, any conclusion.
Okay, Alfat, what do you want to say?
Kill me, please, now.
You want to get killed?
Yes. Now.
Okay. Valen?
No?
Are you the detective?
I am hunter. Afsar is werewolf.
what the?
That's good. Azmi, what do you want to say?
Where is the detective?
Where's the detective? He's asking where's the detective. Apsar, what do you want to say?
Jesus!
Isas, okay? What you want to say?
Who is detective?
Who's detective? What do you want to say, doctor?
Sas for
Just kidding, he's not a doctor.
Sas
It's just for Azmi. What do you want to say, man?
No, I just make a joke.
You don't say anything?
Please take him.
Okay? So, voting time. Who want to vote?
Alfat first.
Azmi.
No, Alfat first.
Nobody want to vote Alfat?
Me.
Alfat, you want to vote Alfat?
Azmi.
Oh, you vote Azmi. Okay, Azmi died. Oh, 1 point. Okay, who want to vote Alfat? Okay, Alfat vote himself. Okay, you ready? Who want to vote Ilyasa? Who want to vote Ilyasa? Nobody want to vote Valen?
Why? Ask me. Why?
Who want to vote Ando? Who want to vote Faris?
Where the detective?
Who want to vote Faris? Nobody want to vote Faris? Okay. Who want to vote what? Who want to vote Ando? You're dead. Who want to vote for Afsar?
Me.
Okay, Shitki vote Afsar. Shitki vote.
Guys, what's it key?
Yeah. Who want to vote Shitki?
Listen up, I.
Dura, 1, 2, 3. Okay, who want to vote Azmi already? Who want to vote Julian? Oh, you already vote. Okay, so Shitki died. Okay, nighttime, everyone close your eyes.
I don't know. I need something really.
I want to take
Wait.
a photo.
Oh, no. Okay, guard, open your eyes. Guard, open your eyes. Guard, who you want to protect? Guard, already. Okay, maybe the werewolf game ends. For I think